today we just got through digging potatoes. So Heidi, Lourie here from Lourie Family Homestead. Say hey.
Hey.
You can talk.
Okay.
You can talk. We're going to be cooking potatoes in the sun oven. So we're going to find about 4 good-sized potatoes. Let's do these 4.
Yeah, that's a good one.
And
yeah, those are good.
You're going to explain to them on your channel, right?
Yeah, we're going to do a sun oven today. It's really sunny. It usually rains here, what, around 4 or 5 o'clock?
Yeah.
So we got plenty of time. It's still early. I think it's around 9 o'clock right now. So we got plenty of sunshine, and it takes about 3 to 4 hours for them to get really
and if
cooked
we put
and
it on
mushy.
the hill with the sweet potatoes?
Yeah, definitely. Yep.
We know it'll cook.
Yep.
So we're going to
be cane sugar. We're going to put some.
Oh, we're going to put sugar cane on them tonight.
Mm-hmm.
And y'all going to help us dig more sweet potatoes, right?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
So be looking for that. Between Deep South Homestead, Crazy Days, and Lourie Family Homestead, we are going to have sweet potato everything for a while. Look, you just did every one of them.
You sliced it, man. Maybe to the left?
To the left, to the left. Brian, looks like there's one right there. Well, it's not much over.
There you go.
Holy, no
Look at
way.
that.
Whoa.
No
Wow.
freaking way.
Basketball.
Holy
Gosh.
darn. That's
Yeah,
like the thing that
that's all
blows out of the
over.
sky.
Go off the world. That would,
Oh my
that'd
gosh.
be a tsunami if it came from space.
Yeah.
Have you ever
could take a
have you ever
city
done that
out.
before? Wow.
We gotta chop it in like 4 pieces or better.
It's like a tuba. These are pepperonichis. These are going to be hot. These are hot pepperonichis. And this is the cilantro. This got really big. This is all from seed. I did organic seeds. Jalapenos. Oh, look. Oh, look at. They're coming. They're right in there. Oh.
We have flowers.
Jalapenos. And this is, I think these are sweet peppers. And this is all organic. I started these in the Jiffies. The little Jiffy pods.
Okay.
These are also sweet. These are sweet, and we didn't do anything with this one yet.
Right there. See back there?
Oh, yeah.
That's lantana. It'll be covered in those blooms. It'll be gorgeous.
Oh, okay.
So this is Heidi's.
This is Mr. Stacky. This is the large stackies, and we have the small stackies in the back.
And
This is hydroponics. And this is some sun cloth, some shade cloth.
And it's nice and cool under
It's a
here.
big difference under here. And
I can't wait till ours gets here.
Yeah. We really
This is
need
awesome.
this. We really need this because the sun, it's so hot, it's burning. These would never have made it.
No.
These were so tiny. They were like a couple leaves on it when we started, and they just flourish in here with the perlite and the cocoa fiber and the nutrients.
So you fill this full of water.
You fill this with water, and then you put your nutrients in here. It's 2 bags.
And you have your pump.
You have a pump. Keep it
And
in
when you
there.
turn it on, the water's coming out into these.
It comes out into here, into the pipes, and it comes into these little drip lines right here.
And then it goes down and it
drink
falls
goes
down
and it
into
goes here.
the bottom ones. This is awesome.
And you know why I love this? There's no weeding.
No weeding.
I don't have to weed. And usually it seems like I have less bugs when it's higher up. I don't have to worry about lots of bugs. Like the ants, I don't get as many ants.
Yeah, and the peppers are looking awesome.
Peppers
but
are great. I mean, we're in
no bugs on the
we're in
leaves.
August. No, we're in full August.
That's awesome. So guys, this is Heidi's hydroponics
Hydroponics.
with
and
the
then
shade cloth. And we're standing under it because look, out from under it, it's hot out here. You can see the difference and you can feel the difference.
And next year we're going to do aquaponics with fish. So stay tuned.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's going to be really good.
Lots of experiments on the Deep South Lourie family
Yeah.
homestead.
Exciting.
We're excited.
Look at that.
Look what she's got. What is this?
This is an Armenian yard-long cucumber. They love the heat and humidity. Love it. And this is from M.I. Gardner. I got the seeds because I didn't know where to get them. So we got the seeds from M.I. Gardner. He recommended this for the heat and humidity.
And it works. They
And
taste wonderful.
And they said they go up to 36 inches because it's a yard. But the best is to pick it at 12 to 15. So it'll be nice and sweet and
And this
tender.
whole vine,
Look
this
at this.
whole trellis is
This
them,
is
right?
all, they're all in here. Look, come here. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Wait, no, it's over here. It's over here.
Both trellises. I see one right in the middle.
Yeah, but there's more here. Yeah, there's more here.
There's one right in
They
there.
grow so fast. Look, look at this.
What we found?
Look,
Wow.
that's only like a couple days old. That's like 3 days.
And
then
you will be eating that by tomorrow.
Look, these grow so fast. Look at that. Look, they're everywhere.
Oh, wow. I
got
see.
all the, oh my God, there's like one going like a U. They're
I see.
so-
We're going to be making pickles
look.
out of these.
Look.
We're going to be making pickles. I can see pickles. Look behind you. Look,
No way.
look behind you.
Ah!
Isn't that awesome?
Oh my gosh. Where is it?
Your hand's
look
on
at
it.
that. How cute.
Y'all, this is awesome.
I love it.
We're going to be
You
making
actually-
pickle stuff.
You actually can grow in over 100 degrees. I can't believe it.
We're trying
It
them
just
next year.
blows my mind.
These are awesome.
Oh my gosh. I did, I pickled these with some green peppers and I did jalapenos I had and I did these into like just a pickle relish thing. It was kind of cool. Whoa.
Look at them.
The more you pick, the more they grow.
Yes.
Because if you stop picking them, the plant will think it's done and it won't produce anymore. Even if it's a little bit smaller, I just pick them.
They're awesome. I've
mean, there's-
stuffed these things and they are awesome.
We have 12 plants and we get, this is
About 100 every couple of days.
Yeah, basically.
Look, and what are these? Same?
Same thing. I think they were mismarked at the store because we didn't have seed to start. We went to a box store and some were sweet bananas and some were hot. But I think they're really hot. They just ended up being hot. I mean,
They're awesome though with
They're awesome.
cheese and
They're
cream
amazing.
cheese mixed up and some cumin. Bake them a little while.
So good. Famous Cherokee tan pumpkins. They have gone from that area all the way around. They're coming back around. We only have one that really is making it right now.